All right, been real busy, so I haven't had a chance to do any reports for 7 weeks, but I had to do one today because massive sell-off for precious metals. So basically, 41213 is the date. Ratio, a little bit up to 57 from 7 weeks ago, but the big news is just some massive selling. Gold down over 5% today. Silver down almost 7%. So looking at 7 weeks ago, gold's from 1582 to 1478, so under 1500, and of course silver down from 2886 down to 5595. But what's really interesting is really just the massive volume, the selling. So if you look at our volumes on the main ETFs, both of them are over 30 million shares sold, well above the average, over 3 times the average. So probably a lot of stop loss selling, I would guess, panic selling as well. So kind of headlines, comics, gold futures below 1500 for the first time in 2 years. S&P 500, Nasdaq, both they had their best week since the first week of this year, and they both have been breaking, testing their record highs. Didn't finish the week at records, but they broke those this week. So stocks really going up steady. And also really interesting is this whole Bitcoin thing. Some saying the Bitcoin bubble burst. Went up this week over $240. Fell to like mid 50s, and then settled, I think, the day around 104. So in any case, really interesting. Next week should be really interesting. Definitely have to do a report next week, see where next week takes us. Can I guess gold get back up over 1500 is the real question. The Bitcoin stuff's not as important, but also interesting to see where that will be next week. So it should be interesting.